Let me get out and see this mess. Y'all, he plays. Oh my God, Kobe, what the heck? You are so stupid.
Do it.
Oh my God.
What's up, y'all? Today's a sad day. A lot of you know something happened to the A6. I'm actually sitting in there right now, you know, but that's besides the point. Where do I put this? Some damage happened to it. All right. So what happens is man-made. Things happen every day. Unfortunately, I'm alive. That's what matters. People I was rolling with is alive. That's all that matters. People keep saying I can't drive. You should have been more careful. You should have been this. You should have been that. Back to what I was saying. You should have been more careful. You should have done this. You should have did that. Man, I don't know how to drive. I've been driving for like 5 years now, man. It's unfortunate. But I done drove GMCs, Nissans, Trailblazers, Ferraris, Dune buggies, Amazon trucks. Ain't talking about I can't. Man, talking about Chief Keef ain't this, Chief Keef ain't that. Man, mind your business. Mind your business. Man, I done drove Bentleys, Alfa Romeos, all that, man. And when you driving the precipitation, you just gotta control the car. You don't let the car control you. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna give y'all some tips. You feel me? You speed. You swerve in between traffic. You turn super hard. Man, just drive like a speed demon, bro. Like you with a NASCAR. But anyways, I'm gonna take y'all back a few days back in time. Y'all like that? Why you looking? Ooh, that's your girl looking at me. I'm sorry. This is outrageous. I'm tired of it. I'm sick of this shit. Look at all this. Snow everywhere. My car looking ugly. Terrible. Can't wait to get a wash. It's cold out here. But what's up, BR? What's up? I'm out here recording for y'all, and I ain't even hopped in the car yet. I'm in here. I ain't even cut the car on. Nothing like that. Nothing like that. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe. You said you're not?
Y'all, why is Kobe driving on the sidewalk? Like,
Bro, did not do that!
Literally out here about to kill us, and I'm just watching him do it, and I'm like, what is he doing? Is he playing? Like, I thought you was about to turn real quick.
Nah, nigga, I wasn't turning. I was slowing down.
Like, this man really just hit a... Oh my God. Let me get out and see this mess. Y'all, he plays. Oh my God, Kobe, what the heck? You are so stupid.
Do it.
Oh my God. CS.
You on?
We are. We're on air.
All right. You guys are probably wondering what I'm doing out here in the beautiful snow with this beautiful Audi A6. It's actually for sale, guys. There is something pretty unique about it. Gonna have story time.
It's about to go down.
While I walk around the car, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so we're gonna get right into that.
Are you gonna tell them the actual story or?
Nah, I'm not gonna tell them the actual story. Why would I do that? All we did was slide and at 5 miles per hour and hit a stop sign or something. That's all. So we can get right into it. And they don't gotta know. It's okay. It's okay. So yeah, come with me. All right. So we got a nice Audi A6 here, guys. Comes with a camouflage package. Some nice camouflage package there. See that? Get nice in on that. On that camouflage there. Yeah, some nice camouflage with some 20-inch rims. Them was pretty nice if you ask me. Couldn't get those anywhere else. Trust and believe me, them is them Forgiatos, you know. We ain't gonna shout out Forgiato, cause we ain't gonna shout them boys out, cause they ain't give me no duh.
It's more so like it's your own man.
Cause we was outside at my auntie house, and you know, bada bing, bada boom, some crazy stuff started happening. 3-4 people start shooting, like pop, pop, pop. I had to duck, get down on the ground, you know. Some crazy stuff happened. You know. Some guy had a grenade with the snow and it said boom. You know. So we driving, you know. Me, my little sister, little Mari or whatever. And you know, people started chasing us, you know, freaking Debras. I seen about 2-3 Debras. You know, Debra hit the car, boom, bounced off, spun in a circle. Man, we just driving with the Debras, just trying to escape the police. They start chasing us, talking about, your car too fast. You need to get that car off the street. Nah, I'm saying, get that car off the street. Man, come on over here. Just show right here. Just show me. Come on, keep on coming now. And you know, the night get a little crazier. You know, it's one of my fans over there. Show the fan. Zoom in on the fans. One of my fans over there. Yeah, one of my fans over there on the porch. You know what I'm saying? Back over here now. Back over here now. One of my fans over there. You know what I'm saying? It ain't easy being cheesy. But, you know, we was sliding all that. That's the Debras. The Debras did that. It was a herd of Debras. The Debras tried to push the car over. The car flipped 3-4 times. I got it under control, you know what I'm saying? I had it under control, you know? I had it under control. We gonna come on over here now. And then you know what I'm saying, you got the digs right there. Some more camouflage. Show them the camouflage. On the whip. And then show them this part. Zoom out though. I'm gonna show y'all a little something. It's a nice little feature my car got. None of y'all cars ain't got this. Premium noise, you know what I'm saying? Listen to the noise for a second. Listen to the noise though. Bop! Y'all old cars ain't got that. Y'all cars ain't got that. And then it even do it again. This is for security purposes, you know what I'm saying? Somebody try to steal your car. What's that? That's my car! You know what I'm saying? That's my car. You feel me? When we driving, you know, we almost to White Castle and whatnot. You ain't gonna believe this. It was a centaur. A centaur. Yes. A half man, half horse. He was in the driveway at White Castle. Talking about we closed for the day. And I said, White Castle don't close. I want a chicken range slider. I want a chicken range slider or something. You know what I'm saying? So show them what the show them right there. Did that. He lifted up his sword and he boom right on the cop. Right on the cop. You know, everybody keep asking me what happened. I just told y'all a story. That what happened. Bunch of centaurs, gunshots, grenades. What else? The Debras. The Debras was the worst. Come on over here. They got me good. They got me good. They got me good. The centaurs did. Oh! Centaurs got me good.
They still want to buy the car.
But anyways, the sale is still, you know, whatever you want to do. I'll sell it to you for I don't know, however much you want to buy it for. $20, $40. But you know, this make the car different. Cause look at that. Show them that. That's 4 circles. 4 of them things. But we ain't gonna show too much of that, cause Audi ain't giving me no money. So lift that on up. But yeah, it ain't that bad, you know what I'm saying? It ain't bad. But you don't wanna go in there. Right there. This is what you do to that. Right there. But yeah, come on, lift them on up. But guys, that's the story of what happened with my Audi A6 wreck. You know what I'm saying? Now,
Kobe, what are you doing?
you filming me? Why you recording? Cut the camera, no. It's time to get some thumbnails. Let's get some thumbnails. Back on up, let's get something good. That's a good thumbnail. Now back up a little bit. You know how. You don't gotta zoom in though, but just, you know, can you see me good?
Yes, sir.
Like see my face?
Yes, sir.
You can see it?
Yes, sir.
Alright, what about this one? How that one look? That look good? Alright. One more. I'm gonna pose this time though. So my thumbnail, I'm gonna get half of the car before what happened with that tragic, crazy story, and then this car. But look though.
I ain't doing that with y'all.
Boom!
Cuss mama say, boy, what the fuck?
Cuss mama say, boy, what the fuck?
Ty, did you just cuss?
No.
If you know how I feel, why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like,
No, I didn't.
What did you say?
I said, boy, what the fuck?
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.